turn on the fan. Dude, are you kidding me? That is running off solar right now, guys. Let's go faster. Wow, you're kidding me. So here's the wire running to my solar powered. Don't mind the mess. Running to my solar powered unit. Wow. This, guys, is awesome. It is running super duper fast. All right, guys, I've got something really cool to show you today. It's a solar setup, and everything runs on batteries and solars. So on top, I've got two systems, actually. That one there with 3 solar panels, 100 watt each. Over here, I've got 1 solar panel. That runs 2 small batteries. I'm gonna show you right now. So this is the 20-foot Costco GAZEBO, okay? And what I installed is the Costco, good God, Siri. What I installed is the Costco fan, okay, from Hunter. It's about $100, maybe less. It's really nice, guys. I like it a lot. So if you look carefully, it's kind of hard to see in the video, but it's bright right now, so it's daytime, afternoon. My solar setup's over here. Okay, I've got a 500 watt inverter showing 13.3 amps. Up there is the controller. It's the Renogy Wanderer. And see those yellow tags? That's the battery. Okay, I've got 2 of them. They are the smaller size batteries, so they're not very big. And I've tucked them up so you can't really see them too well. I've got the outlet here plugged in. So you can utilize this for your lights and things like that. I've also hooked up these lights, but I don't think I'm gonna need them anymore because honestly, like for example, there's that light, it's plugged into the solar. I've got that black one over there too. And honestly, they get really bright at night. I've made a video on that before at nighttime showing you what it looks like. And to be honest, it's really bright. Okay, so you've got that. You've got the white light on. And that's all solar powered. Now, what I also did in the video, after I wired up that ceiling fan to an outlet plug, I plugged it into here and it actually worked. Okay, so you'll see that video, but let me show you what I did do. So these lights are all on as well. So that's the Costco. It was in the bedroom. I took it down and replaced it with a different ceiling fan. So I brought this one out and I wired it. And you can kind of see the wire. You see the zip ties, the black zip ties right there, and follow that wire. And it goes over here. And I decided, instead of plugging it in to the solar charger, to just plug it into the house. But I'm gonna change that later once I buy a bigger inverter. The inverter I have is 500 watts. So the wire comes over here, comes down, and I plug it into the GFCI. I plug it into the GFCI outlet. Okay, so right now it's running powered by the house, but in the video I actually show you that it's plugged into my solar system setup. And I've made videos about a year or 2 ago on that setup, and I like it, but I do want to add 2 solar panels because only one system is going into there. One 100 watt panel is going into that system. So the other system with the 3 solar panels, it's actually running into my bedroom. Okay, so I'm running that into my bedroom. And I use that to run other things inside my house. Powered by solar, which I am loving, guys. This is really nice to have. Now, this thing is actually pretty waterproof in here. It doesn't get wet. There's no leaks or anything, so I don't have any concerns with this, but time will tell to see how long it lasts, okay? Then I plugged it into there. And guys, pay attention to the video. but I think you'll like it. Thumbs up. Guys, I've got this Costco gazebo. It's a huge gazebo, okay? You can fit like 3 tables across, 1, 2, 3. And I just put a ceiling fan in here, guys. And this is actually from Costco. I had it in my bedroom, but I changed it back out and took this out of the bedroom. So I've got electrical wiring in here. You've got the white wiring, green is ground, and you've got the black. Okay, that's it, just 3 wires, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook it up to this extension cord. I'm gonna cut this and then wire it, rewire it. I've got the plug. So this is gonna plug in to my solar. All right, so that's my solar right there. And to give you guys an idea, I actually made a video here on how to do my solar panels. But guys, check this out. I put a bunch of solar panels up there. Okay, so what's gonna run the fan is that one, all right? Now this one I have a different setup for, and actually that one, I've got a huge power bank for that one, so that's a different video. But guys, I am loving it. So stay tuned for the video. I am going to make this work with a plug-in. I'm gonna run it all the way over here, plug it in to there. Right now, I've got 13.5 volts. Everything's charging. I've got my battery over there. Okay, 2 batteries, inverter. All right, and over there my charging controller. Okay, very simple setup, guys. I power these lights at night and also these as well. Okay, this is gonna be an awesome video, guys. Pay attention. Guys, so I bought I think this is 25 feet, something like that. Okay, however long cord you're gonna get, make sure you get a decent one. You know, I'm not running anything crazy, but anyways, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut your wire like that. Okay, I've got a pair of cutters here. Okay, boom. For me, should be a straightforward cut. Then you've got that there. You've got 3 wires, black, white, green. Okay, and up top, you also have, so here's the fan. Green is ground, you've got the black, and you've got the white. Okay, that's it. You've got those 3 wires. All you gotta do, guys, is strip those wires, because you've got the green, the white, and the black. It's hard to see. I'm gonna strip those right now, okay? So pay attention. And then you're gonna wire nut these together with that. And then you're gonna electric tape it so that the wire nuts, to cut that, there's a couple ways you can do it. I'm gonna give me some wire to play with, so don't cut yourself, guys. Just safely shave away. You can use scissors, actually. I'm just gonna take my knife and just kind of wiggle it to rip this black protective cover off, okay, and expose the wires. Make sure you don't cut yourself. Okay, so we're exposing the wires now. Again, you've got the same 3 colors, all right? Black, green, white. Okay. Electric wire strippers, I guess, if you're gonna call them. All right, I forgot what gauge this is. We're gonna just kind of mess around here and just see if they strip off. Perfect. Okay, so this one I used 12 gauge. Or is it 14? Shoot. Kind of hard to see. But anyways, it's this one that I used. Okay. So, guys, I am not a professional. I'm just showing you how I do it. My way. I'm not saying it's the right way. It's only the way that I'm doing my work. Okay? I am not an electrician. I am not an electrician at all. But I do a lot of my own DIY stuff. I've even hooked up 240 volt stuff. You got to be careful though. All right, so we're going to take that up there. And we're going to wire it. And then we're going to plug it in when we're done. It's going to be awesome, guys. Maybe if I go like this, go like that, you can kind of see what I'm doing. Okay, I think you'll be able to see what I'm doing, guys. Okay. Okay, here we are. You got those 3 wires, all right? Black, green, white. We're gonna go ahead and, first of all, make sure it's not plugged in. Since the white one's right there, we're gonna go ahead and do that. So we're gonna spin that together. Get this cap. Then after we spin this on, we're gonna tape it so it stays. Black wires together, guys. Very easy color coordinated situation right there. Okay, so now we're gonna electric tape it because we don't want these to loosen over time from any vibrations or anything like that, especially since it's way up here. I'm not telling you guys I'm doing it right. I'm just telling you guys how I do it. All right, green, green. This is ground. Actually, it feels pretty dang solid. Electric tape. Okay. I'm gonna tape these guys together. Tape job here, guys, but it is something. Probably could use a little more tape, but honestly, it shouldn't go anywhere. They don't got any legs. Maybe 3. Seal it off better, to be honest. But there's that. Guarantee you, once I plug this bad boy in, it's gonna work. Okay, it's gonna work. All right, guys, so that is it. Okay, boom, done. Check that out. White, white, black, black, green, green. Okay, I'm gonna cover this up, put this cap on. It's gonna go up there, look nice, hide up all that junk. Okay, guys, give it a thumbs up. We're gonna see if it works. Actually, you know, I can plug it in right now. I'm gonna go plug it in and prove to you guys that it works right now without editing it. All right, here's the plug. I've got this much confidence, guys. I've got all the confidence in the world. This thing's gonna work. Okay. I'll be darn. The light's on. Check that out, guys. Wow. Okay, so now I know there's power to it. this wire out of the way for a second. So I can turn on the fan. I got the remote control here, guys. We're gonna turn off the lights. Turn off the light. Turn on the fan. Dude, are you kidding me? That is running off solar right now, guys. Let's go faster. Wow. You're kidding me. So here's the wire running to my solar powered. Don't mind the mess. Running to my solar powered unit. Wow. This, guys, is awesome. It is running super duper fast. Move this cord. But anyways, check that out. And let's make it go full speed. Okay. All right, this is on full throttle. This is nuts. I feel the breeze, and it does feel nice. So I'm loving it. It's even got the LED lights, guys. Is that crazy? It's working. Running on solar. Man, that's crazy. I'm using no electricity from the house. Costco bought fan. Now, actually, what I probably recommend, honestly, there's a whole bunch of other fans out there. I'm just using the Costco fan because that's what I had. And yeah, there's a couple other really cool fans out there. So that's what I would choose. At nighttime, I'm going to show you guys how this thing works. But now I got to run the wire so it looks clean up there on top. This way, I'm going to run it, and then I'm going to go that way. Then I connect it right there to that box. Super cool, guys. Thumbs up.